And in this step we have created my data conjoint lev, that is levels for different attributes. So that distinct attributes is in vector, so convert that into data frame by naming it as lev.df data frame lev. Okay, so I have created I have converted the levels into data frame. Now one more important thing which I have to mention here. So your y stands for, okay, survey data comma, your x stands for your conjoint combination cards orthogonal design, okay, which you got through orthogonal design. And your z stands for levels of attributes. So this one you should keep in mind. Okay, so this is what is all about the uh, survey data stands for y, conjoint combination which you generated through orthogonal design stands for x, and your design level stands for uh, z. Okay, yes. So now you can run the conjoint model. First, there are different functions used in conjoint model. First one is CA model. Okay, CA model, y is equal to, I told you y stands for your survey data. So y is equal to my survey data. Okay, my survey data which you have already imported the sheet 1 here. Okay, so CA model y is equal to your survey data is sheet 1, my survey data. Here this is the data set of sheet 1. From that data set, for this CA model you have to select the first row. This 1 stands for first row, okay, and this 2 is to 26 stands for columns. Why I have given 2 to 26 columns? You just go back and check here in the survey data. Your first column is customer data, which is in text, so we don't require this. So we actually require only from the survey data of preference. Okay, so that one is what we actually require. So that's why in R Studio I have given 2 is to 26. X is equal to my data conjoint, where you have saved your second sheet, that is different combinations of conjoint. Okay, and I have given that name of this my data conjoint, square bracket, no rows, comma, 5 is to 7, fifth column to seventh column. Why fifth column to seventh column? I have given the second sheet only fifth column to seventh column, which is the coded one. Okay, so that is what I have imported. And remember, CA model will run only with the one particular respond. Okay, this will give me the result of how first respondent has given me the preferences with y is equal to this one and x is equal to conjoint cards. We'll just run that. So if I just elaborate this, so how to interpret this? This is only a CA model for first respondent. Okay, so first respondent has given how to read this sheet here. This coefficient sheets we have to read, and this is about only first respondent. So we all know that OS has 3 levels. Okay, these 1 and 2 stands for the levels, and price had 5 levels. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4 stands for levels. Okay, of price. We know price had 5 levels, so here it is showing only 4. That means the customer most preferring is the fifth one. So in OS the customer is preferring third one, because that is whichever is missing one is what is the most preferred one. Okay, and here there are 4 levels shown. That means the customer first respondent has given more weightage to fifth combination. And factor camera 1, 2, 3, 4, here it means that the customer has given more weightage to the fifth combination of camera. So that is how it is interpreted. Now moving on to the